Nokia has made two major moves since it was acquired by HMD Global in 2016, introduce a new logo last month, and announce a flagship mobile phone. It was making mid-range Android smartphones and feature phones since the takeover from Microsoft. The two upcoming phones announced at the MWC Barcelona are the Nokia C99 and the Nokia Magic Max. The C99 is rumored to be released by the end of April, although, another rumor extends the date further to late November this year. It is coming with a price tag of about $480. Specifications of the C99 have not yet been disclosed. However, the buzz is around the announced flagship phone named the Magic Max. It is rumored to be coming with 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB memory options, and 256GB and 512GB storage options. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC will sit under the hood, while Android 13 will try to utilize its massive power. It may also come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone will feature a triple camera setup on the back with a 144MP main sensor, a 64MP ultrawide and a 48MP telephoto lens. It might carry a 7950 mAh battery, which will charge from 0 to 100 within a small amount of time thanks to the 180W fast charger. The starting price for the Magic Max is suggested to be around $550, which will put it in a greatly advantageous position as other flagship phones usually start from $800 to $900. The launch date has not been announced for the Magic Max, but it should not be far away, rumors say.